In the heart of an enchanted forest, a Siamese cat named Mowgli guided a tiny sailboat through the meandering rivers. This was Mowgli's peaceful twilight retreat until an unexpected storm descended, turning the gentle river into a treacherous torrent. Fear gripped Mowgli, but he chose to fight, steering his boat against the violent waves. In the darkest moment, a pulsating glow appeared from the forest, drawing Mowgli's gaze. It was a mystical willow, draped in luminous flowers that stood as a beacon amidst the storm. Guided by this light, Mowgli navigated his sailboat towards safety. Mowgli, in this epic journey, learned a profound truth. Life, like the river, would sometimes rage, sometimes be calm. From then on, Mowgli sailed not just for peace, but with the wisdom of life's dualities, becoming a legendary symbol of bravery and resilience in the enchanted forest.